team individuals who have played crucial roles in making this project possible. First and foremost,
okay, cut. Okay.
In the name of the Father, come your court when we return until we joyfully find the mansion prepared for us in the Father's home, where we live and reign forever and ever. Amen.
Tawag balik. Sige na rin. Nasugod na. Wapaman po sila nag-speech. Doan pa. Wala po. So, ayan.
We will now be able to further increase our economic potentials and offer jobs to our fellow Boholanos. We hope that this is just the beginning of your expansion into other parts of Bohol.
And hopefully, this will be the start of many branches.
Hey, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sama na, puro pa nag pagsalat ng purmani mo.